If your Kia Sportage Hybrid is refusing to turn on, the problem usually stems from one of these 5 specific hybrid system components. Even though it is a hybrid, a weak 12-volt accessory battery is the most common reason the system won't initialize. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your Sportage is stuck in the driveway. Start by checking the battery reset button and ensuring your brake pedal is fully depressed to trigger the ignition sequence. Secondary issues like a blown high-voltage fuse or a faulty brake light switch can also keep the car in its off state. If you see a check hybrid system warning on the dash, you will likely need an OBD2 scanner to read the specific error codes. Modern Kia hybrids often use an integrated battery that resets with a button, while older models require a traditional jump start. The good news is that most no-start fixes are relatively inexpensive, provided the main hybrid battery pack is still healthy. If you must jump start the car, always use the dedicated terminals under the hood, rather than connecting directly to the rear battery. A basic multimeter and a scanner are essential for diagnosing these high-tech systems without guessing. Remember to stay clear of any bright orange cables, as these carry high-voltage current that can be extremely dangerous. Diagnosing a hybrid no-start takes patience, but these steps should get your Sportage back in gear. Subscribe for more tech tips.